I'm Chris with Bears Home Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about some preventative maintenance on ACs and some things to look for. Today we're looking at a Daikin Fit. It is currently running. These guys are running at about 21 decibels at full capacity, so you barely even hear them over a standard outside conversation. Super quiet, super efficient, great for right next to a deck. Don't even hear it inside. It's a nice quiet system. On the back side there's a coil. Most important thing a homeowner can do, help keep that coil clean. It'll help the system run more efficiently all summer, prevent you from seeing us in an emergency case where it's just not keeping up. Other things homeowners need to look out for: any signs of oil, that can be an indication of a leak of something, or if the AC starts to settle uneven. On newer construction homes where the ground isn't necessarily as stable, the ACs will settle uneven a lot of times. We do want to keep those level so that way the oils inside the compressors lubricate the compressors properly, help extend the lifespan of that compressor. This is Chris with Bears Home Solutions. I hope you found these tips helpful.